You see how I'm outside and I'm connecting with nature?
Right.
Very mindful.
Right.
Very tender.
Right.
Okay, granddaddy.
Is an introduction really necessary for someone we all know so well?
They better play some like.
I'm just a fucking kid.
Yeah.
Shit. Oh, I didn't know you were ready. Hell. Fuck you, look at that.
Somebody just came up to me and asked me what I do for a living. I said, mind my goddamn business.
No.
Feel me.
Shit, I failed.
I got you.
I can't hold it.
And she gave no fucks.
0.
Nah, fuck you. Okay.
This motherfucker don't miss. No, he's fucking good. That
Not at
motherfucker
all.
don't miss, man. He's
Boy, your ass like you wake up early in the morning and wash your face with cremated cricket dust.